true that the Ebola outbreak is not yet contained in West Africa. Now we have 4 countries reporting cases with a lot of cases and deaths, unfortunately. As of 2 days ago, as of the 4th of August, the number of cases attributed to Ebola in 4 countries stands at 1,711, including 932 deaths. This is why the WHO is convening an emergency committee under the international health regulations to discuss if this is indeed an international, a public health emergency of international concern, in order to make it a priority for the international community.
Now, Fadela, we've also been hearing reports that an untested drug has been used to treat 2 Americans who contracted the virus. What can you tell us about this?
Yes, of course, we have heard the same news, and let me tell you that WHO is not involved in the decision-making of this. This is why WHO has just announced, in fact, half an hour ago, that early next week, WHO will convene a panel of medical ethicists to explore the use of experimental treatment in the ongoing Ebola outbreak in West Africa. As maybe you know, but there is no registered medicine or vaccine against the virus, but there are several experimental options that are under development, mainly in the UK, Canada, the US. So this is why the WHO is convening this group of ethical experts in order to assess the option of using this experimental vaccines in this outbreak. This is an unusual situation. We have a disease with a higher fatality rate without any proven treatment or vaccine, and WHO is seeking the views of experts to see if medicine that has never been tested and shown to be safe in people should be used in the outbreak or not.
You deserve to know more.
ENCA.com